What is going on, YouTube? My name is Mike and welcome back to the channel. Now, if this is your first time here, please leave your shoes at the door and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So just a quick update. Yes, we are still on the road to 50 subs. We made a good little jump the other day, so I appreciate that. I'm thinking about doing a giveaway when we get to 50 of what, I don't know yet, but some ideas are running through my brain right now. Also, another update, new merch is on the way. I'm in the process of designing it amongst all the other things I got going on in my life, including this. And for those of you who are new, yes, I do own a clothing brand. It's been a better part of my life for the past 3 years. If you'd like to check that out, you can go to normalu.com, the correct spelling, it'll be in the description. But yes, I got y'all. I know a lot of y'all have been patiently waiting. You know, you've been hitting my DMs. It won't be long. Now, today was a busy day. This morning, Sneakers had a restock on the Pollens and the Utility 12. The prototype release was this morning. Actually, I took an L on everything but the Pollens. I don't know how I keep getting these shoes, but they keep falling in my lap. There also was a big restock of a bunch of Dunks, some of which we have, and we'll be getting to those here shortly. So for those who don't know, the FLX app is Footlocker, Foot Action, Champs, Kids Footlocker. Pretty much is one big conglomerate, or they're all under the Footlocker umbrella, and they do like raffle reservations. And for the past 2 months, I'm not exactly sure what happened to the algorithm. I've heard some rumblings that they changed it to favor your everyday customer. I don't know that for a fact, but I know I wasn't hitting on anything, so there may be some truth to it. Have no idea what's changed, but it's back to regularly scheduled programming because I've been hitting pretty consistently. So yeah, we scored a good bit of pairs today, thankfully. That's what I'm gonna be showing y'all what I copped today. I was gonna do like a vlog of going and picking them up, but why waste time when I can do all of that and just show you what I picked up here. But first, definitely gotta get some of this peanut butter whiskey from Screwball. Oh yeah, and no, this isn't a paid ad yet. All right, let's get to it. So this first shoe that I'm actually unboxing or reviewing, I guess. I got 2 pairs of these when they initially released, but as soon as I got them in, they went right back out the door. Thankfully, thanks to the homie Courtney, I had a pair that I can, you know, pretty much give a little review of on camera. Appreciate you, Court. But these are the Obsidian Jordan 13s. These released, I believe, last week. Time has been flying, so I have no idea. Time is all one big day to me at this point. But these are actually really nice. I feel like these are really slept on. These definitely I can see rising in value over time. I mean, it's pretty standard for 13 if you ask me, but the colorway, I actually really like this. I really like the bottom, like this light blue color that they got at the bottom. I really like that. But yeah, these are nice. So these were courtesy of Courtney. Now to the cops that I got today. Have no idea what's first. I just put them all together. So these are Grade School Dunk Low. These are the Game Royal, I believe is what they call it. And for those of you who don't know, grade school shoes are pretty profitable. I like that it's got the orange swoosh, and then if you switch it, black swoosh on the inside. I think these are sleepers too. I think people passed on these just because they don't have a lot of resale value. Got these, picked these up. Let's see what's next. Another Grade School Dunk Low. Oh, these are I think these are called the Crazy Camo Lazy, one of those. These are really nice. I mean, I almost had a men's pair, but it's one thing about the app, man. Once you get waitlisted, you just never know if you're gonna actually get them or not. These are really nice though. Fall time coming up, so I mean, this would be definitely a good fall shoe. It's got the olive tones, camo pattern, obviously. Nice black leather. Yeah, I like these. Yeah, I just confirmed. These are the Crazy Camo, and it's funny because somebody just bought them, so these are out of the door. Let's see, what else I got? These are another dunk low. Yeah, all we got was dunks today. Which is crazy. These are the I think these are called multi-color camo. These are pretty solid too. I like the black ones a little bit more. Definitely loving the green. The gray camo around the toe box. And then in the back, it's more what, like desert camo. Cool part is the laces are actually like a cream color. I didn't know that until I just picked them up. At least I think they're cream. I don't know, it could be the lighting. I don't know. If not, I would definitely put some cream laces in here. But yeah, these are nice forest green swooshes. These are clean too. Now, I will say, I know what the last two are, but I have no idea why these cost so much. We'll start with the grade school. But these are the, I guess if you want to call them Panda, the black-white dunks, dunk lows. These, for some reason, now the colorway is clean. I cannot lie. But I have no idea why these are worth $250 plus. Even the kids. I mean, yeah, they're clean, but geez, I mean, it's black and white. This is like my, what, 4th time getting a pair of these, and every single time I've been able to get rid of them for over $200, $250, which is insane, but I'll take it. But yeah, I got these in kids. Also got them in men's. Now, can't lie, if I would have got a size 11, might would have kept them. I mean, they're only $100, so I might would have kept them, but these are a size 10, really clean shoe. I mean, I personally wouldn't pay $250 for it, but I mean, if you can get it for retail, I mean, you can't go wrong with that. Yeah, I have no idea. Sneaker guys must have been on my side today. Ended up getting those, and then I ended up hitting on 3 of the Moonlights that are dropping, they're releasing tomorrow, the Jordan 5. So if you don't know what those look like, I could, put a picture over here or something like that so you can see. But yeah, man, I mean, that's pretty much it for my pickups today. Literally had to drive all over the world. It's been a long day. But I mean, like I said, man, y'all let me know in the comments. When it comes to the content, I know it's kind of like sporadic right now between fitness, gaming, sneakers. I mean, everything under the sun. But mainly right now, I'm just testing the waters. So if you guys have a specific content that you're interested in, let me know in the comments. I mean, have an open dialogue with me. That's what this whole thing is about, Don't forget, I'm doing this for you all, for your viewing pleasure. It just happens to be fun making the content. So yeah, let me know. I know I had someone ask me would I be creating separate channels possibly in the future, but depending on what the demand is, that's pretty much going to dictate whether or not I separate channels or I keep everything here. If you guys like everything, I'll leave everything on this one channel. If you have something that's specific, let me know. I'm gonna be recording it anyway. Only thing is I'll just upload it to a different channel, and then you can follow that channel and still follow this channel just to check in every now and again. But that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. I got some other ones on the way. Check out my other videos, my other playlists, man. I'm sure somewhere over here or over here, I can't remember, they'll suggest something to you. Appreciate y'all for watching. Oh, and don't forget, hit the like button because you watched for this far, so you might as well go ahead and hit the like button. I'll see y'all in the next one.